Hi everyone, this is Lady Manu coming to you with part 6 for multiple transformation of the quadratic parent function. I want to say for multiplying. Oh well, anyway guys, here we go. Now guys, we're given a graph. We want to write the quadratic function for it. Here is an example step by step telling you exactly what to do. And basically you got to have the vertex and you're going to choose another point because we're going to use the vertex form to create the quadratic function for the graphs. The quadratic equation at least. I said function because it's already a quadratic function. Here, if you look at it, so try these on A and B. I'm going to tell you, I can look at this and I think about the parent function. I said, wow, this is skinnier than the parent function. So I know that my A is going to be greater than 1 because it's a stretch. Okay? Here on B, I know that my A is going to be between 0 and 1, meaning it's going to be a proper fraction. I know that because it is wider than the parent function. So I'm going to only do one of these. I'm going to, let's look here. Here's my lovely H and K. I see here my H equals -2 and my K equals -2 because I'm getting that from the vertex. Here they gave you the point -1, 1. If you want to choose that one, you could use it. Or you can go here and use the 0, 8. I'm going to use the one they gave me just to be on the safe side. I could use this one too because I know it's 1 because it reflected over. And it still would be a negative number and a positive. Okay, for the ones who say, oh man. So here, this is an X value, this is a Y value. Okay. Now I'm going to do this on a notebook paper. So let me write down my formula. F of x equals a times x minus h squared plus k. So I'm substituting in for h. And guys, let me change my f of x to y because it's function notation. I'm not substituting value in for x. I'm actually solving, so I need to have y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. You use the function notation when you're trying to create a table of value, or they're giving you a certain domain, particular domains, and you use it to get the particular range that is correspondent to the domain given to you. Okay? So I need just y. So here I have h and k, and I have the x and y that I'm going to use. So I'm substituting in for y, I have 1. Okay? So I'm going to say 1 equals, I'm looking for a, I don't know what a is. So I have to solve for a in order to create the quadratic equation. So I'm solving for a. So my x value is -1. So -1 minus h is -2. So I'm going to substitute in the h. I'm putting -2. Now notice it was already their subtraction. This is the same thing. The h I have to put that -2 there for it. Square plus k is -2. So I'm going to write -2. Now I'm going to just simplify. So I'm going to say 1 equals a times 1. Then I got -1. Negative and a negative is going to give me a +2 squared, positive and negative. That just becomes a -2. So go ahead and say 1 equals a times -1 plus 2 is just 1 squared minus 2. Okay, because -1 plus 2 is just 1. 1 equals a. 1 squared is 1. Okay, so 1 times a, guy, that's just a. So I'm going to just leave that alone. 1 squared is 1. So 1 times the anything is give you the anything. In this case, is a. So I have a minus 2. So I'm trying to get a by itself because I need a in order to write my equation in vertex form. Okay. So I have here, I'm going to add 2. Since I'm subtracting 2, I'm going to add 2 to both sides to cancel out those 2. So I have a, I isolated a. So I have a as 1 plus 2, which is 3. Okay, so now I have a. So now I'm going to go back to the vertex form. I'm going back to the lovely y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. Now I'm ready to write my equation. Okay? So my equations would be y equals, I know a is 3, so I'm going to say 3 parenthesis x. I'm not substituting anything in for x now because I'm trying to get it in standard form. I'm trying to write the equation ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay? And then put my equals in front, f of x. This is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get this equation. This is standard form for quadratic. So I had 3x, 3 times x minus h, which is, what was h? -2. So I'm going to put -2 squared plus k, which is also -2. So I just simplify. So I have here y equals 3 times, both of those are negative, so it's be x plus 2 squared. Positive and negative is -2. Go ahead and multiply this, x plus 2. So I'm going to go to the side and say, well, I'm going to go over here. I have here x plus 2 squared equals x plus 2 times x plus 2. Okay, so when you multiply these binomial, you get x times x is x squared, x times 2 is plus 2x, 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 2 is 4. Combine your like terms, you get x squared plus 4x plus 4. Okay, that's what x plus 2 squared is. So I have y equals 3 times x squared plus 4x plus 4 minus 2. So you have to distribute the 3 throughout there. So you get y equals 3x squared plus 12x plus 12 minus 2. Simplify. You need to combine those and you'll be done. I'm not going to finish it for you. Then you have the quadratic equation for the function. Thank you, guys. Love you. I'm done.